Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel One Man Trader, and today we are trading two instruments. The first one on the right is E-mini Nasdaq, 3 contracts, and on the left E-mini Gold, 2 contracts, both are short. So keep in mind today is December 3, so this is the last day of the markets, the last day of the year. So yes, I'm placing my target first one, second, and the third, according to the 3 contract for the E-mini Nasdaq. And then for the gold, we'll place that a little bit later after the opening of the US market, and we'll adjust accordingly. But for now, focusing on Nasdaq seems it's moving a little bit more. So there is more volatility in Nasdaq compared to gold for now. You see the price a little bit get closer to my first target and reverse back up. And same thing happening for the gold. So, but since it's ongoing candle, it's hard to tell which direction it is. So it's ongoing. It's not forming just yet. So just wait for it to complete. This is the 2-minute chart. So I placed my first target on gold as well, and now we'll see what's happening with the Nasdaq. On the gold, my first target is around the opening of the market for today. So opening of the market where the price opened at the Asian session. And so this is for me, this is this area so the market will reach, and then once it reaches it, then we'll manage the rest of the trade accordingly. But for now, this is my first target, and my second target is a little bit below the opening of today market, which is also low under the lowest price of today market. So Nasdaq seems going the opposite direction for now. Yes. And the left is the 5-minute chart, while and the right is the 2-minute chart. So 5-minute chart for the gold, 2-minute chart for Nasdaq. So I like what's the market doing at the Nasdaq right now. So creating this wicks, so which means this area is protected by the bears. So there's resistance around the entry level of my trade in Nasdaq. That's good. So yes. So the 2-minute candle is indecisive. So, but the wick on the top is more longer than the bottom one. So this is an indication that the price can go low or lower. So yes. There's a beautiful sell order and the order book right there waiting for the price can hit. Once it's hit it, so there's chances that the price will keep going down. So right there you can see where this area, I love this order right there. There was a big order for short order. So this is exactly what the market now, the price is executing that order and heading that direction. That's good. Yeah, beautiful. First target been hit, Nasdaq. So I'm placing my my sell order as a stop loss, or actually a buy order as a stop loss. So right there, so I secured my trade Nasdaq. So hopefully gonna touch my second target. We'll see. Come on, almost there. You're almost there. Yes. So pretty much I did the same for the gold. I secured my trade. I lowered the stop loss right there with a little bit of profit, and then remember this is the last day of the year, so everything can happen, and then not really comfortable to trade, and just for me the priority is to secure my trade. So the price of gold showing this is going to touch my first target, so just a couple tick away, and same thing for Nasdaq. So I wish if we could just the price hit my second target, that would be more relief. So but this is it. This is the trading. So as long as I secure my trade, and the rest is out of my control. The rest is the market who decide which direction to take. Here you go, indeed, my first target gold being hit. So now I'm lowering my my stop loss, and then just getting my second target a little bit higher. So basically, when things like that, it's showing that the environment can change at any second, any moment. This is what happens. So basically I just need to adjust and adapt to it. So it's all about reaction than than prediction, So I lowered my stop loss for both Nasdaq and gold. So Nasdaq right there. So this is what happened. So Nasdaq hit my my stop loss, and then for some reason like changed to become a buy now all of a sudden. So now I'll manage to just right there. So I'm just gonna close the trade right there. Boom, Nasdaq. So profit and Nasdaq, and then now waiting for the gold and to wrap up for the year. I think that's it for gold. I'm out. Okay, there you go. 1,900, a little bit more than $1,900. Well guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. If you find value in this video, consider subscribe and share, and remember to trade wisely. Take care.